Good morning, everyone. So today I've come to. I'm gonna work on my neighbor's side. It's not a big project, but I thought I'd get that cubic frost in. Remember, I said that I put in these large ones here, and then I had a small one which looks so weird here. So I'm going to take that out and find a bigger one and put that in there. And then I'm also gonna remove these ioniums, all these, and put in some green, something green. So let me get a nice before shot, and then I'm gonna pull them out and start planting. So hopefully that gives it a bit more color because it's just all red and orange. You can see those jelly beans are doing so good. Look, they're looking so plump. Yeah, so this cubic frost is gonna give it a bit of brightness here and something green to replace that ionium. Let me go and check. I was actually thinking of taking yeah, that is quite big there. See that cubic frost there? It's quite big. So I think I might just use that because that's a nice size. Okay, let me set this down and pull them out. And I needed to take that out anyway because it's so congested there. You can see how squashed it is. This broom, I need to get this out of here. Let me see. Oh, there's surprisingly, there is aphids. Anyway, I'll leave that for now. I don't know where to hook it. Right, let me get in here. Just, oh, that was easy. Just pull this out. That's a good size. Oh, look at these snails living here. Yeah, you can see there's so much space now by this euphorbia. This, don't want this. Pulling that out. Yeah. Oops. Maybe I can move this out a bit. Yeah, there's better. And even this, just push it out a bit. They are in the air. I need to put it in the ground a little. No, I'm not doing a good job there. Right, I have to come back to that. Let me just go and put this cubic frost. So I've got these two. They're nice. They are quite huge. I might only need one. So let me take one first and see what it looks like. it's better. It's a better size. Oh, it's so windy. Yeah, it'll catch on. I don't need to really push it in. That's much better. Oh, this poor one here. I'll just leave it here somewhere. Right. Yeah, so that's much better. Oh, look at this dirt. Yes. Papers just fly in here. Yeah, that's better now. It's a bigger one. You can see it looks so good already. Now just to change out those ioniums. I was thinking of putting this in between. You can see how green it is. It'll be perfect to break up that red at the front. So I need to take a few cuttings from here. But I do have ones that I propagated. So let me just use that up first and then cut up some from here. There's one that I propagated. There's 2 pieces here, so I'll use that. And there's another one in the front as well. Right, let me straighten that out. Oh, you can see that green looks so good already. That looks so much better. Yeah, that green is just so nice against that. If it gets big, it'll be lovely. Oh, better go. This wind is so strong. Right, that's one down. I'm happy with the way it's come out. Maybe I can put one more of that plant there. Yeah, I could do. But you can see already it's got a sequence now. Looking good. The jelly beans, the cubic frost, and that green. I think that's a Senecio. Yeah. Alright. Oh, that's it. At least I did that. I'm so happy. That's done. And I need to let's let me just show you where I pulled out that cubic frost. One I still have to put somewhere. You can see there's more space there around that euphorbia now. Just need to take that cubic frost that's done there and plant it somewhere else. Alright, so you can see this looks a bit untidy now, but it will grow and fill up. But there's just more space now around. Yeah, so that's done. I'll put this somewhere else. One last thing, I want to just cut this grass. I'm hoping it will grow, sprout again after I cut it back. To push out new growth. At least that's what I'm hoping. I should maybe cut all the flowers as well, because they like to be cut back. The last time I cut all the flowers, they bloomed so lovely. I mean, they put out a new flush, so maybe I'll do that, trim them. Just go for it, eh? It's so hard to cut them off, but let's be brave. Okay, that's a haircut. Your turn. it. Let's see how it flashes out. There's all the blooms. Okay, that's it for today.